guys, this is the road to come to Lazy Frog, and so this is the property. So the house owner or the property owner name is Roy Miguel A. Fernandez. This is Lazy Frog. So you have ample of car parking here, ample place, and you have a sit out here as well. Okay, and what you see here, it's the property owner's place where he stays, and you have a decent place of to park the two-wheelers, but these are you get it for rent here. And this is the badminton court. The bats are there, the shuttlecocks. So yeah, when we stayed here, we enjoyed this place a lot. So yeah, and you have the swimming pool as well. So as I'm taking this in the early morning, so still it's in the under maintenance. So this is the place, and you can sit here after you have the swimming. So the shower is here for the swimming pool. Okay, so coming to the restaurant, the part which we liked was this one. So the person who cooks here, the chef, is very kind, and the food tastes, it's excellent. So if you ask me out of 5 how much I give, it's like 5 out of 5. I'm not exaggerating, because the thing which we had here was awesome. So anything you ask, they prepare and they give it. So this is the place where he cooks, and this is the place where we can have our lunch, dinner, breakfast. Yeah, so as now this is closed because as I told, I'm taking the shoot in the early morning, and this is somewhat like a cottage type. There is a well here, and there is some place here. I think this also belongs to them or not sure. So okay. So as I told, this is a cottage room type. So I will put the number of the owner, Mr. Royce, in the description. So whenever you are planning to come, you can call that number and let him know. I told, this is the sit out place here. So these are the rooms which you see here, and this is the reception. So this is from booking.com. Same booking.com. So it's like an year. So this is from 2016, 2018, and this is from Department of Tourism Goa, and this is a TripAdvisor. This is from booking.com again, from 2017. So yeah, so these all are like, you don't get it when you order or something. So this is all customer reviews. So if you see out of 10, on an every year base, it's like 9.5, 9.6. So the increase level is good here. So from that only you can make out that the service what they give here is good. Okay, so we have 2 rooms here, 2 rooms there. Again, we'll go to the upstairs because we are staying in the upstairs, first floor. Okay, so you'll see the fire extinguisher as well. So you see 2, here you see 2, 3. Okay, so 3 plus 2, 5. Another 2, 9. I think backside also there are some rooms. So you can just check with him. So this is the room where we stayed. Sorry in case it's looking, because we are checking out now. I thought of doing the video in the starting itself. Okay, so this is the cupboard. I think this is more than sufficient to store our things. And you have a window here. And this is somewhat like, in case if you want to order some foods, you can have it here. And this is somewhat a table. And these are some rules, remote, TV remote. And there are some snacks as well in case if you need it. So these are some house rules. And the best part is you get an Wi-Fi connection here. So in case if you need, you can use it. And there is an AC as well. So here you can see. So in case if the door gets open, the AC gets automatically shut down. And it takes at least 5 minutes to again start once the door is closed. So again, there is an oven, cups with the electrical kettle, coffee powder instant, and you have some oven bowl here, plates. In case if you are interested, you can have it. And yeah, so this is the bathroom. So yeah, I think overall, as I told, it's good for a family thing. And you have a view here as well of the swimming pool. You can just stand and see. Okay, so yeah, overall it's good. So as I've told, so every details are mentioned in the description, so you can check out once. And in case if you're interested, you can call them. And it's purely it's not a, what do you say, haven't been paid for this or something. It's just from a self-interest what I'm doing. And you have a second floor here. So this is not for the guest purpose, but I'm just showing you from here. So you have a lovebird here. So these are the things you get to see, and you get a beautiful background voice of this bird, which gives you a little soothing effect when you are staying in such place. Yeah, hope this video would have helped you to decide how the property is. I think I would have missed some points, as I told. It's a checkout day. So yeah, so you can just give a call and you can come over here. But per my experience and for our family's experience, this place is really good. And yeah, you can try that. Thank you, and do subscribe my channel, like this video. In case if you have some suggestion, please put it. And also do comment if you have anything. Thank you.